I welcome everyone to the digital autopilot system. In this video, we will look at how we can create a landing page completely from the scratch in digital autopilot CRM. So let's get in and see how this is going to work. Okay, the first thing what we have understood about the business is the first thing we have connected our all this communication channel like text, email, okay, and phone number, and also we have set up all our business thing. Right now we have to create our funnel. In this video we will talk about the funnels. Okay, so the first thing what you have to do is already there is a pre-built funnels. You can get it and get started, but in this video I will talk about how you can create a landing page completely from the scratch. Okay, I have already created a something just like this. Look at this. Okay, so how you can create a high converting landing page in this, and which is helpful for any customer. So this is where it's a high converting and a premium templates. Okay, but I would be talking about how you can create a templates if you are a freelancer or a digital marketer, or if you're a business owner and you want to convert, you want to create a high converting landing page without having to write a single code and create a more stunning website just like this, landing page and a funnel just like this, which is high converting. I will show you in this video. So let's get started. So in the last video we have seen that how to create funnels. Okay, so let's get started. So now what we have to do is if you want to come to the sites, okay, go to sites, then you will able to see this. So already if it has been new account, okay, already you get something called as this pre-built accounts. Okay, so once you click here, so I will show you how this is pre-built already for you. The funnels has been pre-built for you. You can choose it from here and go ahead and edit it. Okay, but in this thing I want to look at this. You have a funnel step. Okay, and this is service and landing page what we have. Then there is a marketing audit landing page, claim, and booking appointment. This all are the funnels, okay, where we can also add up the products. Product is something called as where you have a product like course and all, you can add it. But in this video I will show you how you can edit it from here. Okay, so you can choose it from here. I can go ahead and edit it, but we will do it completely from the scratch. Okay, so first you have to go here and click on demo. So this is the demo and test. So I will just click on create. Okay, this is completely a new one. Okay, so now we don't have any steps. Before you start any funnel, you need to understand that what is your customer journey. So this customer journey comes from just clicking here, name of the page. So you say that this is the home page, or we call it as an opt-in page. Okay, we call it as an opt-in. Okay, so the path would be home, or you can keep it as an opt-in itself, and now create it. So this is an opt-in page. Second comes is we call it as an order page. So if you want to take any order, right? So that is an order or upsell. We will keep it as an upsell page. So if I will say why you need this is an opt-in, then upsell is if you're having any course, then you can do that. If it is an order page, where you have a payment integration, and then we will be having called as thank you page. Thank you. Okay, so we will be having a thank you page. So in this way where we created the funnels, right now this is all the steps, but in this we have to create. Right now nothing is there inside. We just need to click on the edit page and it will take you to the next page. And in this way we would be creating something called as the funnels just like this. Look at this, how powerful this system is, right? So I have created, there is a video, there is a hook, there is this. So in the simple way where it's a complete like page, but right now I would be showing you this, how to put the logo here, how to have this text and how to change the fonts, and I would be talking about the funnel elements. You please make sure that how to add images and all I would be teaching you from the scratch. The first thing which ask you here, once you go to this opt-in page, once it will open up, it will ask you, do you want to keep it full width? Full width is something, it is called as a full width. This is the full width. Just for an example, I have taken this because where you understand this. Okay, this is the full width. Okay, whenever someone comes, you can see the background, it's a complete full width. Okay, this is one thing. Second, it will ask you for a add a row. Okay, add a row. So now I have an options add a row, or we can have one more section in this. This is something we call it as a full width section blocks. Okay, so this is the name of the section. Okay, you have to give it a name of the section. We call it as a header, so, or we call it as a logo. Okay, so we call it as a logo. We just need to create a column 1. Okay, now I will just take it as a image. Okay, and once you click here, you will have a multiple option here. Okay, this is called as an elements. Okay, this is called as a elements area where you get all the elements. Okay, and once you click here, it will open up this. So right now I want to put an image. Okay, and now what I'm doing right now is I'm creating this. Okay, so this is the logo, then this is how it goes ahead. So now this is called as a padding. If you take it left, it will come up. If you take it right, it will come up right. Okay, so right now what I do here is I will create a like image. Okay, and then I will talk about the width. Okay, how the width goes ahead, what is that width, and how to align it very properly. Okay, and now I will click on this image. Once I click on this image, I already have a logo installed. Once you come here, click on this load file, it will get installed. Okay, so already have it. Then once I click here, it will open up with the copy the link. Okay, I will come back, then I will click on back, then I will paste that link here. Okay, look at this, it's done. Okay, and I can also change the color of the background. Okay, and now it is, we say optimize the image load. Yeah, that is optimizing automatically. It's automatically it's optimizes the, so I will keep it as so this is the width. Okay, I was talking about the width. Now I will keep it as 100. It looks just like this. Okay, this is the height. So if you want to keep it as a height, okay, so I will keep it as a blank. It automatically takes up just like this. I will make it as a 200 if you want it. So this is how it is. And now you have an options called as like this is a logo. So right now we need to align it very well. So for that alignment, what we do here is we will just go here and we will take it to the top. Okay, we will take it to the top. So now it has been aligned. Now we need to change the, okay, I will align it at the top. Okay, now it's perfect. So you got the point. So this is the section and this is the block. Okay, this section, what we have to do is, this is the first column. This is the first column. What we have to select it, and we can do the padding if you want to move up and down. Okay, and then we have something called as in which we have this element title. Okay, this is the element name title. So we have this. Then we have put the image, right? So we have all these elements. Now we'll come back to this image advanced, and now what we do here is we want to change the background color. Okay, we want to change the background color, and we will see how to change the background color. Okay, Now once we go ahead and click on the complete section, you will be able to see that we have to put the background image just like this. Okay, for that what we do here is we will click on this. Okay, we will click on this, we will click on the images, then we will select which image you want to put there. So I will just select it, I will go back, and then I will put the URL, and now as you can see the image has been gone, right? The image, you got the image. So in this way where you can create it. So now we will do something called as, we will have a heading, and then we will have something called as, we will have images, then we have a heading, and then we will have a image in which we need to have a 2 blocks. Okay, so for that what we do here is we will just come back. Okay, now we can see that there is this column, but we need to create a one more column right now. For that we will, okay, now I have selected the 2 columns. Okay, once you get this green, you just need to click full width, then it will ask you for the row, then you need to go for 2 columns. Okay, the same way what I have done right now. So now what I do is I will have this called as what we have to create right now is this text. Okay, this is the headline. Okay, and this is the 1 column, and this is the 1 more column. Okay, let me do it for you. Okay, right now this is the headline, I will keep it as a headline, this. Okay, and I will just copy this from here, Win Your Freedom, and I will paste it here. And before we go ahead, and we need to understand about the text right now. Okay, within a few seconds I will be setting up the global text for you. Okay, so I will make it bold. Okay, now what we do here is, for a settings, you go to settings and you will see the typography. Okay, and you need to understand that what typo we need to keep it for our brand. Okay, brand typo. So right now we do have something which is being used for this type of a website. Okay, I'm using the same thing. Okay, for that, if you want to see that how it is being used, I will show you how it is being used. Okay, right now it's a bold, and now we will keep this as our default one. Okay, default one, and I will just make it large, and again I will go to this. Okay, so it's done. So if you want to keep it this blue, or we keep it this color, or you want to select any of the additional colors, you can go ahead and add it from here. So we'll just make this one, and that's it. Okay, done. So right now it's done. We have set the typo. Now we need to set the if you go to, I will show you how you can pick up Google font. Okay, and you go here, and now you will be able to see all the fonts here. Okay, which one you want to choose. Okay, you want to choose Roboto, or you want to choose Lato, or which font you want to choose it, you can get it from here. So what I'm using right now is this. Okay, so this one, Nunito. Okay, so I will go here, so I can able to see this, right? So I will click on here, and you will be amazed to see that why the font is different. Well, what they are using, this is different from this. Is you can see that you can do the this is weight, we call it as a weight. Right now if you go ahead and look at this website, it looks similar. So we are using the variable access, that is the weight 200. If we keep 200, it looks like this. Okay, so I'm just doing the same thing here. I just went here, I have changed it, and now it is looking just like this. All right, got it? So you have to go to settings and you can change it. Now if you want to change the background color, you can do it, but we are keeping it as a background image. Okay, now we will look at the text colors and everything, right? So right now you can fade in, like light fade you can make, you can have a heavy fade just like this, you can have a fade of the text. Okay, and text shadow, if you want to give it a light shadow you can do that. Mid shadow, yes, you can do that. So with the help of a shadows for a text you can do that from here. So right now you want to increase the size of the font, you can do it by just dragging here, and you are keeping the mobile version just like this. If you want to see how this corner looks, you can go to this thing and look at this, how powerful this is, right? You select this and you will set this as a bold if you want it. You can do an underline here, or you can make it italic. Simple, just like how you use it a Word, right? Microsoft Word. So now we have a color. This is a color, bold, text, and all the colors where you can go ahead and change it from here. So now what I do is I will just select this and I want to change the color, or we want to change the height. We can do it from here itself. So let's say we will add an images. I will show you how you can add an images. You got the point, how to add the text. Okay, so go here, you can add the text. Now I will just come here, click on the headlines, and now I will go to that image and pick up this, and I will put an text here. Look at this. Okay, and now after that we want to put as a video. So after this we will go ahead and image, we want to put image here. We will put the image here, and I will come here, and now what I do is I will scroll down, then I will see this and I will click on this image button, and now I will go and select which image we want to put here. Okay, for that what we need to do is we will create something called as we will go back and we will see what is that image. I will just copy the image address what I have, okay, and paste it. Okay, look at this, the images got it right now. So within a few clicks you got the image here by getting the URL. And now I will go up and I will just make it more aligned right now. Okay, and now I will see that is a video. How to put the video? So once you can able to see at the left side, as you can see there, you can just need to click on this, and that's it, your video is aligned, right? You got it. And now you might be surprised, like this thing is different, but we will do it right now. How to do it? You just need to go to background and change the background. Okay, how to do the background is just like this. Okay, and we will go here, and first we will go ahead and change the background color. Oops, sorry, something went wrong here. So now we will make it down. Yeah, if it is something happened, you can able to see this arrow and all. So once you click here, it will go above, click below. So in this way where you can manage it. Right now what we will do is we will change the background image. Okay, to change the background image, let me show you how we can do it. Okay, once I click here, I will click here and come back and copy this image and go back and put the URL, and now I will change on this, and it will go ahead and change it. So I will show you within a few seconds how to be done. Once it is being clicked, now as you can see, okay, now as you can see there is a black color, but we need to make this as a global setting typography. Go here, and the text is white, we have to make it as white. Okay, so we'll click here, we'll make it as a white. Now it looks fantastic. Okay, and now what we have a link color. So if you want to click like link color, we will want to keep it as blue. We can do that from here. So we'll come back, go back, and now as you can see it's there. So right now as you can see it's a bold. If you want to keep that bold text as this color, right, so we can do that. So if I remove the bold and I will just put this as a bold, and look at this, it's automatically takes up this. Okay, so it is looking fantastic right now. So this is what we have to do. Okay, so now we will put it as white. Okay, everything looks bold. So what we do here is we will make the color. If someone has selected the bold, we'll keep freedom as bold, and go to color section and change it to this. Look at this. So you got the point, right? So what we are achieving right now is, if we want to achieve the same results, okay, just how you can see that, so you need to make this text aligned. So within a few seconds I will explain you how to do that also. And now we will come to this, and we will select this and make the size bigger. And now what I do here is I will go to text, okay, and make this as a white color, and select this, and I will keep this text color as this. Now if I make it bold, it will come up like this. Okay, and if you want to change this background color, if you want that background color is different, we can do that also. Okay, so background color, we will go and we will keep it as a gray. Look at this, it's looking similar to this, right? So now it's done, and we will see that if you want to make it large, select everything, come back and make this as a bigger. And if it has been not aligned, I will show you how we can make it aligned by clicking on here and making it more aligned right now. Okay, so right now it is looking just like this. We will come here, we will do the padding here. Okay, padding. Okay, margin at the top, we will take to the top center, and I will say left, right? So look at this, now it's went up. So one more time I will, it is left, then it will come up just like this. Okay, so now we have a column. If you want to make it aligned, so if you put this, it is looking, you are ready. Now you want to have background color, you can do that. So I will just put this video here. Okay, so this is the custom one. Okay, for that HTML5 video we do have, so I will just put it here, and what happens is it will come up with the video thumbnails and everything. Okay, let me show you that. This is the intro video, so I will just go to YouTube. Okay, I'll select a YouTube and I will paste it here. So once I paste, look at this, I got a video right now. Okay, so I will just keep it this one. Okay, it's looking good. And now I will just keep the shadow if you want it. So the shadow 40%. Okay. And look at this. You can able to see this. Okay. Right now the video section is there, but it will also have multiple options out here. We call it as a thumbnail. Okay. If you want to keep different thumbnails, you go to is not aligned. Is not aligned. You can just have this top and bottom alignment, so that you will able to make it a top. If you want to reset, we will add a button, then we will go button. Okay, so we'll click on this button. If you confused, don't have to worry, just click on this button. Button will be installed, and then we will have multiple options. Okay, so I left at one thing, is that about the video thumbnail, right? So here you go here, it will ask you for video URL, and then it will ask you for an autoplay. If you want to play it auto, it's automatically someone comes here, it's automatically videos. So yes, one more option I want to show you here. If you're putting this website and see what annotation. Okay, I will just put this here, and I will see what is this. Okay, so okay, so you're, and now select, comes with the theme. Once you select the theme, it will automatically change. Right now I just kept the same theme here. You can change it to colors, blue here. So lot of options out here, you can choose it, so which is eye-catching. Okay, and now I will choose one color which is good, so I will just choose it. And if I want to do a customization, I will show you how it's all about. Okay, it as a pop-up or website URL. We can put the website URL, or they can send an SMS, emails, or what they want to take it to the membership area. So in the future video, we will see how we can take it to the membership area. One-click upsell and downsell products if you are installed with that. So we will keep it simple right now, and also we can able to do something called as icon. Okay, we want to put the icon here. For an example, if we want to select it from here, so options, all right. So I'm not keeping any icons right now. Okay, but this is how it is done right now. If we go ahead and save it, it's important to go ahead. This is a metadata description. What you have a keywords like digital marketing or marketing and marketing, sales, automation. So then you have an author. So Som is the author. If you want to keep it as social images, so whenever you upload a link, it will come up. So we'll go back and we will share this link, so that, look at this. This is an SEO preview. Okay, so once someone goes to the website, you're putting it here, and then what is robust system what you are getting right now. So you go, I will show you how this works. Okay, so if I go to this and I will select this and put the description, you will see how the magic goes ahead. All right, so look at this, right? Digital autopilot system, all-in-one system for a business. And then we will go ahead and connect it to the domain and see how it's going to work. Okay, so now I will preview that. Look at this, how powerful this is, right? So once they click here, they can play the video from here. It is fantastic, like, right? So it is looking fantastic. So if you want to make it aligned here, we can do that right now. Okay, look at this, how powerful. We can create a landing page from, we call it as a Go High Level or a digital autopilot system. So this is how powerful this is, where you can create a powerful system just like this. Okay, so there is a lot of options where you can do this, but I will make it more easy for you once again. Okay, at the top we will take it at the top, and okay, I can create a lot of templates and landing page for you if you are confused. All right, if you don't know, if you don't want to waste your time here right now during the system. Okay, this is about us. Then you have a sub description. You will keep it a sub description like this. So now we will come back here and see it's done, right? So we can do it a lot of things here. Okay, we can change the text, and what I'm missing here, I'm just checking out. Clone the step. You can also clone the step. Okay, and you have an options called as a products. Okay, products is something where you can add a product if you want it. Right now I don't have any product. You can add the products from, like, you can go here, you can add a product. So right now I don't have any products to sell. If it is a course or membership area you want to redirect, you can do that. Right now we will see how we can connect this to a domain. All right, so for that we will, how many options we get a stats here. So how many opt-ins, like stats, everything you will be able to see it from here itself. Okay, look at this opt-in page has a 4 clicks and all. Once you click here, so you can see all the unique clicks and the counts here, the stats. Okay, this is really powerful. Now we will just go ahead and connect it to the domain and see how it works. Okay, right now it's an opt-in page. I've just selected this and saved it. And now what's gonna happen right now is it will save, and then we can go ahead and see with the URL, this URL, that how the page looks. Okay, now look at this, it's connected to the domain. This is a domain page. So once I remove this, and if you want to see that, it will come up with this page itself. Okay, oh sorry, I just typed it wrong. Okay, now as you can see, it's done, and it's really a robust system what you have it. Okay, so in this way, where you can create a high converting landing page, more powerful responder. So we will look at in depth in the next video. So thank you very much for your time. So if you really like this, please share this in the comment section. What do you feel about it? So in the next video we will come up and see how we can create a more powerful form. Thank you.